Hi everybody. Today we will learn how you can protect your Windows 11 and your data on Drive C using a system restore point. A restore point creates a copy of the computer's system files at the time the restore point was created and stores that copy on the computer. If problems arise after installing new applications, updates from Microsoft, or a virus, you can always return to the original state of your computer exactly at the time when the restore point was created. And so, right-click on the Start button and select System. In the window that opens, click System Protection. In this window, click once on Drive C, then open the tab Configurations. By default, in Windows 11, creating a restore point is disabled, and now I will be setting up the creation of this point for the first time. On this scale, you need to allocate some space for the recovery point. For a small disk of 120 or 240 gigabytes, you can allocate about 5% of the total space, but if you have a Windows disk of 1 terabyte or more, then 1 or 2% will be enough. Then click Turn on System Protection and click Apply. OK. Now click Create. And in this window you need to give a name to this point, and this name should be such that after some time you remember what exactly was saved in your Windows at the time of creating this point. I'll make it simple, I'll call it period, and indicate the calendar date when the restore point was created. Now click Create, and the process begins. It will take about 2 or 3 minutes. The process has completed. Close this window, and you can also close other windows. To show how it works, I will not wait for a problem or any glitch in my Windows. Now I will simply uninstall these 2 programs from the computer, then I will restore the system according to the restore point and these 2 programs will be restored. I click the Start button. Then I open the list of all the programs installed on my computer, and here I need to find and remove these 2 programs. First I uninstall the IDA64 application. The second program is Audacity, and I am deleting it too. These are good and useful applications, and I hope that in the end I will not lose them, and after the process is completed they will be restored to my computer. Both programs were successfully removed. One shortcut remained on the desktop, but without the program it does not work and must also be removed. There are 2 ways to activate a restore point. The first method allows you to restore the system without leaving Windows. The second method is intended for the situation if some kind of failure occurred on the computer. Problems arose and it became impossible to log into Windows. I always prefer to use the second method. It can solve serious problems on the computer, and now I will show you how this method works. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard and restart your computer. The computer rebooted, and the main menu of the System Recovery program opened. Here click Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and in this window click System Restore. Carefully read the message from the program and click Next. In this window we see the created restore point. You need to click on it and click Next. In the window that opens, click Next. This window contains a warning from the program before starting the process, and the main thing here is that if you change the password for logging into Windows after creating a restore point, then you need to find the old password, and only after that you can continue the process. If you are not ready to go back to your Windows state at the time the restore point was created, then close the program, and the computer will restart automatically. If you are ready to begin the recovery process, click Finish. Read the last warning and click Yes or No. I click Yes, and the process begins. The recovery process is completed. I click Restart, and the computer begins to reboot. Windows 11 has loaded, and we see a system message that the recovery process was successful. Before starting the process, I deleted 2 applications, but after restoration we see only one icon on the desktop, although I am sure that both programs were successfully restored. To check if this is true, I click on the Start button again and open the list of applications installed on my computer. Here we see that the second application is also restored and it is in the list. I drag the icon to the desktop, launch the application, and we see that the previously deleted application works without problems. After creating a restore point, some time will pass and you may need to create a new restore point, and the old point will not be needed. Now I will show you how you can delete an old restore point. To do this, right-click on the Start button and select System. In the window that opens, click System Protection. In this window, click once on Drive C, then open the tab, Configurations. Here click Delete, and confirm the operation. The old restore point has been completely deleted. I hope what I just said can help you, and if you found it helpful, please share my video with someone. Thank you very much for watching my video. Good luck.